Hey guys, good morning. It's Camryn. It is Vlogmas day 12 today. I'm so excited for Christmas. I can't wait until it comes. I'm sitting at a red light right now, so I decided to pull up my camera really quick and film a good morning, but I'm headed to school right now. I have a lot of junk to do today, and I'm really not looking forward to it. So, yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Hey guys, so it's after school now. It's about 4:30 and I have a dentist appointment with my mama. Hi. Hi. So we're gonna head to the dentist, and then Jeff back there is gonna go with me to buy a new phone case for my new phone. So we're just having a fun day.
Okay. Yeah, we're having a ball. Oh, I'm still on there.
So we're at Target in the food section, but I got the goods. I'll show you guys more in the car.
I just found the biggest stash of monster ever.
He's happy. I came to the conclusion that I'm not scared to vlog in front of people anymore, and it's kind of great. I'm living. So Jeff found his maker. I'll show it to you. Hold on. All of that monster.
And it's cheaper.
Are you living?
It's not cheaper. It's 2 for $5.
Are you living? Is that good? Is that bad?
It's usually 2 for $4, right? Oh.
Hi guys, so we're in the car now, and let's just say story time. So first of all, we were in the aisle and I was talking to Jeff, and you know when you can just feel someone judging you? Well, I totally felt this little girl and this mom judging us. So I said something to Jeff, and they just looked at each other and shook their heads, and I just have this thing where I can totally tell when people are talking about you, or you can just sense things, and I totally knew it was interesting. And then we saw someone who we knew behind us in line, and they literally looked me in the face and then kept walking, and it was just no. It was just the funniest thing ever, and it was rough. So anyway, and then we were walking out of the store, and they were behind us, and Jeff said the person's name really loud. So we're thriving. We're having a good night. Anyway, let's do a little haul about what we got. I'm having a Christmas party in school tomorrow for my yearbook staff. So I had to get some icing to icing our cake.
To icing your cake?
Icing the
To ice the cake.
Ice the cake? Oh, sorry. And then I got a phone case. It was just really cheap. It was $10, and I just got, I don't know. It looks pretty good quality. And then I got a screen protector for my new phone, and I got a pop socket because I need a new one. That new case.
And Starbucks.
And yeah, we got Starbucks, and then Jeff got these moisturizer. So we're thriving. We're doing good.
Yep.
Now we're gonna drive home, and we have some baking to do and junk like that.
Yep. Freaking Stewart.
Baking with Camsglam and Camsglam.
We are Martha Stewart.
We have a box of brownies. That's what we're making.
Wow.
For Baked Out School. Did you not wipe the bowl?
Yo mama just did that.
I know, but you didn't dry it?
No.
Why did you not dry it?
Why do you do that?
Alright. I'll crack the eggs because Jeff doesn't know how.
I do, but it's only if you like shells in it. Watch out.
I just heard you using my name in here.
I said
Jeff didn't dry the bowl.
Do I really need to? Yeah, exactly. See? Listen to your mother. Watch out.
You can take this tomorrow.
Yeah.
Whoa,
Don't hold it by this because it might fall. So I have to come to the school first and get the money.
Edit that out.
So I have to come to the school, get the money first.
Just give her the money. Oh no, whose money's this one?
Unless you want to pay for it and take the money.
How much is it?
It's 80.
3 tablespoons. Oh my gosh, 3 tablespoons of water.
We have all the money.
Do you have out the tablespoon, John? Actually, no. I'll just use a spoon.
What do you these all over it?
I'm sorry. Anyway, we got our cake batter. We need pan. Get the pan. Get the pan. Get the pan and a
What's stronger than pen and nail? Am I allowed to say that on camera, or is that...
No, he's a follower.
Huh?
You're a follower.
What are you talking about, Laura?
You're a follower.
Why are you letting that run?
I wear the pants in the relationship.
What do these look like?
What do these look like?
They leggings, these are pants. Good fuck. Bob.
I can't even believe you bought blue coloring. Why are you?
Hey guys, so it's been a little bit now. It is around 10:15 and I am just going to edit this vlog and head to bed because I'm super tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you to the moon and back. Bye guys.